So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of complete Starlink investment website. So basically this is a Hype investment website script and it's the latest version and it is completely in the mobile app view as you can see that. So if you want to buy this script, do contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp link is in description. You can contact us and buy this script easily from us. And the advantage you will get is we will give you a free installation of the script and we will provide you a free support, and you will get this on a very reasonable price. So let's start this video. First of all, you can change these banners and everything you want to change from admin panel. So it is completely with the admin panel and you can completely control it from here. Here is a recharge option, withdraw option, download app option, telegram option. So you can add them from admin panel. So here you can see your users, here you can see users detail, and you can see your total recharge, total cash out, and here you can see a banner and you can change it from here. So let's go to this v option, and here you can see the investment plans in the website. So here you can see all the investment plans and you can create as many as plans from admin panel. So here is the devices. So when you subscribe to a plan, the subscription will appear here, and here is a team option. You can see right here how many people you invited, and you can see your invitation code. Here is a mine option, and you can see your id, your total balance, usdt, recharge wallet. You can here when you go to recharge, you can recharge money from here. Just select the gateway and you can easily recharge money. And similar is the case with withdraw. You can easily withdraw money by using any of the gateway. So here you can also change the gateway instruction. You can contact the developer, telegram services, recharge. You can see the recharge records, cash out records, change admin login password, change add login passwords, download app, and save exit mean logout option. So this is the user panel of this website. Now let's go to our admin panel of this website and let's see how we can control this website from admin panel. So viewers, you can see that we are on our admin dashboard, and I have already logged into admin. So here you can see total users, you can email unverified user, total deposits, and site is newly created. I've just installed the script on my domain. So you can see that site is new, and here you can see all the graphs related to sites, and here you can see that all the notification related to member registration, deposits, and everything right here. So here let me go back, and if you want to explore another option, you can see right here. Here's a plan management option. You can create plans from here. Just click on add plan and you can easily add a new plan, and if you want to edit the existing plan, you can do it from here. So it's very easy to control and completely manageable. From manage referrals, you can manage all the referrals from here. And from investment report, you can see the investment report. From manage user, you can manage all the users of the site. So let's see. So here is our account. Here you can see if you want to add balance to the user account, you can change details of user, you can do it from here. So this is how you can do all these things. And yeah, promotional tools. From payment gateway, you can manage automatic and manual payment gateways. So here you can see deposit requests. So here you can approve or reject the deposit requests of users. Here is a withdrawal option. You can manage the withdrawal request, and from support ticket, you can manage the support tickets. So let's go to general settings, and from general setting, basically you can change the name of site, you can change the currency of website, site base color, and some other settings. So here is a system configuration option. So you can turn on of different settings of website from here. And from logo and favicon, you can change the logo of this website and you can insert your own logo. So here you can simply change this logo. Just select the logo and change it. So here is the language option, KYC settings, notification setting, holiday settings, and some other settings are here. And you can manage all these settings from here, from admin panel. And now if you want to buy the script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp and we will provide you the scripts. So thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.